A good number of recent innovative projects were built on Base Network, and that is why every smart contract developer in the EVM ecosystem should know how to deploy on Base. The interesting thing is it is EVM compatible, meaning you don't have to learn a new language or framework outside of what you've been using to build on Ethereum. And in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can deploy your contract on Base Network with Foundry. If you want to deploy on Base, definitely you need an RPC URL, and you can just come to Alchemy to get an RPC URL. Be selective and come to Base, select Sepolia, then you can copy this, keep it. Then come to your MetaMask, expand on account details, then copy your private key, keep it somewhere as well. And right now, let's get into deploying on Base with Foundry. This Base folder, okay, Base, cd Base. A contract comes with Foundry normally. Counter contract, I can just use it's a kind of placeholder contract. So let's try and deploy these on Base. The command for deployment in Foundry is create. So you can say for create RPC URL. Let's leave this, then private key. Then let's say the path src counter.sol slash or colon counter. Yeah. Now let's replace our private key and our RPC URL. With here, I have included my private key and my RPC URL. And as you can see, the contract has been deployed. You can see the hash here. So let's try to verify on Sepolia Etherscan of Base to see if it has really been deployed indeed. You can see this. This is the verification on Etherscan. Yeah, 1 minute ago. From 2, you can see the gas we spent, and that's to show you that we actually just deployed on Base network. Then there's something I missed out. You should add Base to your MetaMask networks, and I'll show you how to do that. You just come to the Base documentation, then add the Base Sepolia here with all the network details, and really that's how to deploy to Base